Hi everyone, William Quang here from the Adelaide Hill Pain Clinic and SA Running Injury Clinic. Just going to talk to you today about the pros and cons of exercising, running, walking up and down the hill. Now there's quite a few pros and cons. Now in terms of the advantages, when you go up a hill, whether it be walking, running, you're actually working a lot harder. So it's great for speed, strength, also the intensity of the exercise. Also, people love running, trail running, so they love the variety of the different scenery and all that. Also with the increased intensity and speed, that increases the possibility of health benefits such as heart disease and weight loss. So they're the pros, okay? Now, if you are ready for it as well, it also will decrease the likelihood of injuries. Hey Jade, how are you? So it will decrease the likelihood of injuries just because it really does strengthen up a lot of those muscles around the area. Now, in terms of negatives, on the flip side of the coin, talking about injuries, if you aren't ready for it, if you aren't conditioned for it, it will increase the likelihood of injuries. So the big one is knee pain. Going up and downhill will sometimes cause knee injuries if you've got predisposing factors, you're not conditioned to it. So that's the big one. The most common complaint we see from going up and down hills is knee pain. But there's lots of other injuries that it increases the prevalence of. One is running up and when you go uphill. So particularly uphill, there's other structures. One is, and the main reason for that is the foot's in this position here, or the ankle's in this position here. So the two big ones are Achilles injuries and heel pain injuries. Okay, so when the foot's in this position here, we call that actually technically dorsiflex, where the toes are pointing up. That increased strain around the Achilles and also around the base of the heel here. Shin pain prevalence has increased as well, hamstring strains, and even stress fractures. Okay, so if you are going to get into uphill and downhill running and trail running, make sure your body's ready for it. Okay, if it's not ready for it, there could be a big spike in those injuries with you. All right, so that's it for today. I hope that answers a few questions just regarding uphill and downhill running. If you do have any other questions, just comment below. If you have friends who want to get into trail running, or they want to do the convention centre steps and see if that works, or God forbid that Montefiore Hill, running up there a few times, we always see some of the guys doing pre-season. Hey Bridget, that's quite a nasty hill, but definitely good for increasing your fitness, and we see a lot of that around this time of the year with all the pre-season netballers and footy and soccer players. All right, enjoy running, guys. Tag a friend. Next Tuesday we'll talk about 3 things which we've seen recently, where practitioners have used a shockwave machine and haven't really used it in the right way. So we'll talk about 3 things that practitioners should avoid when using shockwave. All right, have a great day. Bye. Oh, wait, Bridget wants to say hi.
Hi guys.